welcome to another episode. It's Sunday morning and we are in Pansol. Yan. Nandun tayo sa resort ng brother-in-law namin. And fortunately, one of the brothers merong bagong LC300 ZX 2025. And we are driving her around the village. To, yung resort kasi nasa loob ng village. So, yan, puro resort. So, it's my first time driving a Land Cruiser 300 ZX. Bagong-bago, acquired November last year. So, if you're wondering, ito ang loob niya. Very beautiful, no? Diesel tayo. And I don't know if you guys can see, pero meron siyang HUD, heads-up display, no? On the windshield. Ayun, nakikita ko yung speedometer natin. And RPM, may RPM siya, Stig. So with a beautiful view of Mount Banahaw ba yan? O Makiling? Sorry, hindi ko sure. Pero we are in Pansol sa mga hot springs yan. No? You're loving the LC300, ang ganda. Tapos ang ganda ng hood, dalawa yung bulge. May bulge, no? So I'm looking for a spot where I can shoot this dito siguro sa gilid. So anyway, I'm just giving you the first impressions. Here, sobrang laki, ang laki niya. Easy to drive. Diesel, narinig ko nga yung diesel, no? So hanap lang ako ng spot. Ang screen, no, really helps a lot kasi the car is so huge. So medyo mahirap i-park, pero yung screen na yan, sobrang laki. Makes my life easier. Reverse. Ayan, you can see. Tapos may mga guiding lines. Pati dito sa taas, so makikita mo kung properly nakapark ka. Galing! Galing. So ito, nakakatulong to actually. Makikita mo kung tama angle mo. Ayan, so dapat ganyan para maganda. Okay, reverse. Ayan. So most likely, okay na. Huwag ko napatayin. So basically, yan yung gauge natin. I'm loving the red needles. At least needles pa rin, hindi siya digital. Although sa gitna, digital na siya. No? You have the oil pressure here. As you rev, the needle goes up. And the battery meter here. May battery meter pa siya. You have the outside temperature. And this one, very new, only 1,500 kilometers tinatakbo. I love the steering wheel. Of course, being a Land Cruiser 300 mataas, expect luxury inside. So, abundant in leather. Everything is leather actually. Ito. Tapos, when you open this one, ganun, isang malaki. Daming malalagay. May cool box. Ayan, yun. Oo nga. Yun, lumalamig nga. So, may cool box siya. Pwede mong palamigin dito. Galing. Cup holders dalawa, and look at the key. Sobrang laki ng key, no? Tignan mo yung kamay ko. Ang laki ng key, nagulat ako. Of course, with the push start engine. Nag-on siya. Ba't nag-on ng aircon? Off natin. Ayan. Pag in-on mo pala yung cooler dito, yung cool box, automatic mag-on yung aircon. So the screen is huge. So helps a lot. Ganda. Digital, I guess. Ayan, digital nga. Apple Play, ready. Siguro Android na rin. No? And with the rear view mirror. Siguro electrical na rin yan. You get the sunroof, moonroof. So, expect luxury inside. With the touch of wood trims. Yan. Then, dito tayo sa transmission. Ganda ng knob niya. Very sturdy. Leather din. I believe this one has the 10-speed automatic transmission with the manual mode. Up, down, up, down. So 10-speed yan. May CD pa siya, oh. Map. Oh, yun. Pag-trace mo yung map. Tapos I love na may mga switches siya dito which you can feel. Ayan, home, bang. Diba? Tapos the sound system, naka JBL. Ayun, oh. Ito mo, JBL siya, oh. Tapos dito, may nakita ata akong kaninang JBL eh. Anyway, naka JBL yan. JBL. So, surrounded by JBL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-seater pero may upuan sa likod. Mamaya I'll show you. Na pwede pa sa likod kung wala kayong sakay. Then, the drive mode of course. May crawl. Depende sa terrain. Tapos of course you have the 4x4. 4x4 siya. Iba na ngayon. Talagang you just press it. Mag-engage na yung 4x4 niya. Differential lock. Push of a button. No? Ayun. So basically yun. Doon tayo sa likod. The side of the car. Grabe ang ingay ng diesel. Naririnig ko. Again, no? If you know me, not a diesel guy. Naririnig ko yung diesel niya. Twin turbo. Poging-pogi yung harap talaga, eh. Yung harap ng gusto ko dito, eh. Tignan naman yung harap niyan. Yung grill. Massive grill. Tignan mo, how big. Yeah? Laking kotse, no? Saludo talaga sa guard, eh. And I'm loving the hood. Ganda ng hood. So, the mags, anong size nito? Stock R20. 265, 55 R20. Malaki na yung mags na 20. With the side step. Sideboard, ayan. Tapos pearl white. Tapos meron na rin pala siya rain guard kasama. Manipis, nakaganon. Hindi, dati kasi mga Pajero, di ba, nakalabas. Dito manipis lang. Ganda. Ito yung likod, defer the passenger. JBL. Oh, yes. Very comfortable. Tapos you can bring this down, I guess. Ayan. Ayan. So with the LED lights na, ayun, ganda ng ilaw, tumatatlo, parang airplane, no? And you get the side vents of course for the aircon. Ganda ng leather. Sobrang comfortable ng leather. Still have aircon here, vents, wood trim, napakaganda. May access ka pa dito, pwede mo buksan yung gamit mo, lalagyan mo if you're the boss. Syempre driver yan. So here is the view from the passenger side sa likod at the back. Laki na space, oh. You got the controls, mafe-feel mo pa yung mga buttons. And here, meron pa ditong vent, oh. May aircon pa yata dito, eh. Teka lang, sara natin. So tama, aircon vent pa yata to. Look how massive the chair is, oh. Napakaganda ng upuan. I'm loving the chair. And dito sa likod, super comfortable, no? If you have a driver, dito ka sa likod, or dito probably, very very comfortable yung upuan niya. I'm loving the chairs. Ano naman yung itsura ng chairs, oh. Hindi siya captain, but sobrang comfortable. Tingnan natin yung likod. This is the back of the car. You got a spoiler. Siyempre, no? ZX300. Ito, galing to sa Manila Bay. Toyota Manila Bay. Actually, hindi raw sila pumila. Price of this one is 5 million ata. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Hindi sila nag-wait. No waiting time for this one. At ba? Teka. Wait lang. Nakuha ko na kanina to, eh. Wait lang. Take 2. Ayan. Sa ilalim. Of course, automated tailgate. To make your life easier if you're holding things. So, ito yung luggage space mo. If ever you need luggage space. Tapos ito pala titupi. If you need room to sit down, you get cup holders pa kung may passenger nga, and of course air vents for the passengers at the back. So you have the tool set here, and then ayun yung upuan. So when you press that one, magpi-flip, di pa gamit. Again, bagong bago. Decent space, kaya golf bag mo if you have gold bag. If you need more space, pwede mo pa itupik to hold more things, but you will not do that to the Land Cruiser kasi sayang ang mga sidings niya, no? Ayun, no? May cup holders, oh. Diba? Ganda. Then the tailgate close. Yan, malabas na yung araw dito sa Pansol. We are in Pansol. So walk around from the back. Gwapong-gwapo yung auto. Wala akong masabi. Pambos talaga. Of course, this brake. Oh, Showbiz talaga, no? Ang gwapo na ito. Sobrang comfortable. Tsaka sarap niya i-drive. Naririnig mo yung turbo, spooning, twin turbo entry, yung engine tinan natin. Really love the front. So, welcome to the powertrain of the LC300ZX 2025. 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo. Ito ata yung turbo niya, dalawa. Ganun. Tama. Kaya mukhang turbo, no? So, I think this engine produces 400 horsepower. So, malakas yan. Tsaka very torquey. As you can hear, diesel. So, diesel na diesel. So, everything is covered up with plastic covers. Pero, ayun. But twin turbo. At least twin turbo siya. But you get 400 horsepower out of this beast. Ganda, no? Bagong bago. So, a brand new car. Actually, hindi mabigat yung ano niya, hood. Yeah. Yung bulge, no? Ganda ng bulge. Ganda talaga ng harap. So, let's go for a ride again. Lamig ng engine, no? Diesel nga kasi, oh. Hindi pa gumigit na, oh. Kanina pa nakaon yan. And the HUD. Ito yung device niya. So, sana nakikita nyo. Yan, yung nag-flicker. HUD. Ganda meron. So, let's be careful because this is not our car. Pinahiram lang sa atin ni Russell, the owner of this car. Actually, half-brother ni Mrs. Sud. So, bagong kuha niya itong November. Sarap i-drive. Grabe, ang ganda ng hood talaga. Yung driver's view, no? Tapos kita naman lahat. The side mirrors are really big. So, safe. Kitang-kita mo lahat. Tayo. Kasi dito sa resort, it's like a village, no? Nasa loob tayo ng village. Tapos lahat, puro hot spring resorts. Ganda ng ALC. Tunog diesel nga lang talaga. There's a pool of water. Dahan-dahan, ayoko dumayan yung kotse dahil malinis. Sayang. Aircon tayo. Mainit na. Ayan, tahimik din sa loob. So, aircon ito. Tama ba? Ito, tama. Ayun, okay. So, meron pang heated seats if you want. Ito, the controls. Passenger side, driver side. So, lahat, no? Gusto ko rin yung location ng engine start niya. Yan, okay. Grabe. First time to drive LC300. Tagal ko nang gusto actually mag-feature nito. So yung nakita ko gabi when I came here, tapos may nakapark. Uy, ayos meron na. So we are lucky. Thank you Lord that we are able to feature and drive the latest LC300ZX. Ayun o. Woo! Lakas. Lakas din ng brake. Ganda ng brake. Lakas. Ayun, kayang-kaya kalampag, ay kayang-kayang mga daan na pangit. Just go over them. Oh, di ba? Here in Manila Road, let's take a left. Ikot tayo. Ayan, wala masyadong traffic, sakto. Dahan-dahan kasi maraming motor. Hataw natin, no? Ayan. Ang bilis ng pickup. You can feel the heaviness at medyo floaty yung ride a bit lang naman. But you can feel the heaviness of the car, no? Because it has a very big body as you have seen. Pero kaya naman ng engine, kaya ng twin turbo engine na diesel. Walang problema. Tutuwa ako sa HUD. Helps with the driving, no? Hindi ka nasisilip sa gauge. Oh, yan. Okay. Balik tayo. More driving shots. Grabe, sarap pumatak. Woo! Okay. Tama. Okay, we are headed back to the resort with this 2025 LC300ZX. Grabe. I understand why people love this so much, but pinipilahan, no? Ng mga mayayaman. Sobrang kotse. You get a lot of car. You get a lot of car. Luxurious inside. Easy to drive. Ayun, no? Lubak. Wala, oh, di mo nararamdaman yung lubak, oh. No? With the 4x4, 10-speed auto, twin turbo, 400 HP. What more can you ask for? Kasya pamilya mo. Pwede sa Metro Manila. Tapos nagbabibrate yung steering wheel kung nakaka-detect siya ng, kunyari, may malapit na vehicle sa'yo, wawarningan ka niya. Galing, no? Future, technology ba? With the big screen, ilang inches kaya yan? 11? Don't know. Yan. So if you like SUVs, no? Malalaking sasakyan. Tapos and you're capable, to talaga. Land Cruiser talaga is the best. Walang tatalo. Kaya siya pinipilahan. That's why everybody wants to have one. So, I was actually surprised yung sinabi niya na may-ari, Russell, na hindi sila pumila masyado sa Manila Bay, Toyota Manila Bay. I guess they have good relationship with that casa. Kasi from what I know, itong mga ganito, talagang mag-aantay ka. Even if you have the budget for it, pipila ka. Kasi nga, the demand is way bigger than the supply. No? That's why nga yung presyo mataas. And we're back in the resort. Ito yung village. And ang terms lang is financing. Doon kumikita yung kasa. No? So, yung isang friend ko nga, ang alam ko, gusto pa niya taasan yung financing niya just to, para matapos agad, ayaw pumayag ni kasa. So, ibang kasa naman yun. Kaya, I was surprised na nakakuha sila agad. And they didn't have to line up or to wait to get the unit out. So, yun. I guess, mas marami na supply ngayon. Not sure. But, this is a car. Grabe, kotse talaga. Ang sarap i-drive, ang lambot ng suspension. Pwede sa kahit saang terrain. Ayun, no? Alright, no? So, basically, it's a quick video. It's a quickie lang dahil I wasn't expecting na may LC pala tayo. So, thanks for watching if you're still there. And if you're not subscribed, may aso. Please do subscribe to help me out, to help the channel out dahil naghahabol tayo ulit. And if you are subscribed, thank you for supporting. Palike na lang ng video just to help me with the algorithm, no? Thank you.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.